So guys, first method, come to msi.com, this officially website, so you can download the MSI devices driver. After that you can see this is search icon and just enter the model number of your laptop. Okay, and then click to hit enter. Scroll down, this is your laptop, just click on it. And after that click on support. Scroll down, select the first. Okay, and just select. So you can see this is first and second, so this is model difference but driver same, and driver download and driver installations process same. Okay, select the driver and download, then click to BIOS and select the driver, then scroll down. By default select the Windows 11, so this is only support the Windows 11 operating system, this laptop. Then you can see the Bluetooth touchpad, this is management engine, wireless LAN, Wi-Fi driver, car reader driver, LAN driver, audio driver, graphic driver, camera driver, chipset driver, and all are there. Okay, select chipset driver. After that you can see the Intel chipset driver and click to download. I can start downloading, it will complete, then show the pop-up. Is completed, then open chipset folder. Then this is set up, just double click to launch. Then next, accept, install, then yes. And this is installed, and then close it.